Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is a tutorial for Rude Dude, choreographed by Mark Polino, 32 count, 4-wall, intermediate level dance. It's choreographed to the song by T-Pain called Church. And it's a very popular dance right now in Southern California. I've had a handful of people say, please, oh please do a tutorial. So here you go. Right leg, little scuff. 1, step 2, take your left foot and go heel, toe. Now take both feet and bend your knees as you swivel to the right. Take your toes and straighten it and swivel. And on that swivel you turn a quarter and then you kick your left. So we have 1, 2, heel, 3, 4, down, up, turn, down, and kick. So you're at 9 o'clock, okay? One more time, here we go. 6, 7, 8, up, 1, 2, heel, 3, 4, both 5, and 6, and 7, kick, 8. On 1, you're gonna take your right foot, rock back. 1, hold 2, ball step, and 3, step right foot on 4. Follow your right shoulder to get back to 12 o'clock, left 5, 6, point 7, switch 8. So you were just here, you did a left kick on 8, you're gonna rock back, 1, hold 2, ball step, right, left, right, step, tap, switch, and switch. Counts are, this is 8, 1, hold 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's put those 2 8s together. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, heel 3, 4, swivels 5 and 6, turn 7, kick 8, rock 1, and hold, ball step, forward now, step, tap, and lead, switch. Third count of 8 is a set of hitches. And you're going to follow your left shoulder to make your rotation. And the hitches are your left foot, your right foot, your right foot, your left foot. Left, right, right, left. That'll help a little bit. So your left foot is out. As we hitch our left knee up, we're going to follow our left shoulder and turn a half to 6 o'clock. Hitch and step back on your left. Back. Hitch your right and step back. But don't put all your weight on it because now you're going to pick that same foot up so you kind of push off of it and do a full another half turn. Hitch, step back, and the last one is a left hitch with a quarter turn. Hitch, step side. Okay? So, left leg, hitches up, 6 o'clock. 1, back, 2, right foot, 3, press it back, lift it up, back, lift it up, side. So the key on that one is that when you come back here and you do the second one, you pick that right knee up, is not to throw all your weight. Just enough to push it right back up. So I literally push it down and pick it up. Okay? Let's try that one more time. You've got your left foot free because you just on 7 and 8. We lift 1, back 2, up 3, down 4, up 5, back 6, 7, 8. The last count of 8 are heel grinds. You're already at the wall you need to be at. So I'm going to turn so you can see my feet a little bit better, but we're actually here, right? So you would have just stepped on your left foot. Your right foot is free. You're going to step across your left with your heel, grind, and do a little quarter rotation there, and heel, and step, and grind, coming back, and heel, and heel. So now you're going to be here, so your right foot's going to go right, quarter, heel, heel, left, quarter, and I'm back to where I want to be here, because now I'm going to bring that foot in, and I'm going to start right away. So the way that counts is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2. Okay, so these grinds have a real, you have to cross it so that your body does that rotation here, and step across, and take that little rotation, and bring it up. And then we go back to the very beginning, we start it again, no tags, no restarts. Just a really high pulse rate because it's a really fast song. So we're going to go to the beginning, we're going to walk through it, and we'll do it at every wall because this is just, I want to make sure you get all the feet Okay, here we go. 6, 7, 8. We have scuff, step, heel, toe, heels, toes, heels, and lift. Rock 1, hold 2, ball step, 4, step and tap, 6, we switch, hitch at 6 o'clock, right up, back to 12, and to 9, and heel, grind, and switch, and heel, grind, and switch, and 1, 2, 3, 4, both 5, 6, 6 o'clock, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, back to 9, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, 2, 3, and up, back to 9, and 6, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and here we go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, back, hold, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6.7.8, lift it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, and cross 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, hold, right, left, right, step, tap, and switch, pick it up, push it up, all the way up, and back to 12. This is your original wall. 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2. There you go. So that is how we do Rude Dude. I thank you so much for signing on here to take a look at this. I hope that this helps. And take a look at all my other videos, pass the word, share this information. I'd appreciate that. And I hope to see you on the dance floor. Thank you so much.